Yes.
Oh, probably thunder.
Let's go.
There's like a lot of movement in this photo.
Oh my god! You're too late.
I didn't put my ear. I didn't actually do that. I was just
Yeah, let's say we're in the shade.
Oh yes. Oh.
Is that the sketching card? I think it might be. We'll see once we get on it.
Woo!
Oh yeah, this is a liver kitty.
Oh, careful.
Yeah,
Yay! Look at that stick.
Yeah.
So good.
Real wizard now.
Yeah. Primo stick. Looks very solid too.
Alright, I found one for you, Paul.
I have one. Oh, another one like that.
You're doing a big one. Oh, yeah.
That's good. Yeah, I found a really good one.
Could you add this rock whenever?
Oh yeah. What if I can stand it?
Yay!
Did it.
Oh, he made a smile over there. Oh, this looks so cool. As in the water looks cooling. Wow, this is so white. I think I have to tie more than that. Bet you wish you could have a truck you cold now, huh?
I know.
Good job.
It's such an odd thing.
It's a big one. It camouflages pretty well into the ground. We should move it off the trail. I think it's a moth.
But like unable to move? Or fly? Tired?
Anyways, its wings are kind of crumpled. Oh, it's spiders.
How long was that walk day?
It's like an hour and a half or something, right?
2.5 hours.
Huh.
Already been 2.5?
I guess so, yeah, I guess we wouldn't know.
So close.
think oh, okay, there you go. Yeah.
Let's go back.
Let's
Go back to your patio.
Back into the jar. Nice. So quick summary of the trip. We start off in Toronto. We drive then to Burlington, close to Smokey Hollow Waterfall. We park in a parking lot by Walmart. We walk to the forest entrance. And after that, we slowly start shimmying our way through, hitting the train tracks, then the road crossing, and eventually we see the rock statues where we built a mini rock formation thingamabob. This is in a ravine, so it's pretty terrained. And then we get to the midpoint, which is the waterfall. And then after we're here, we walk all the way back again, ending the trip, and that's it. Let me know in the comments below if you like vlog style content like this. I know it's not coffee related, but I really do hope that you've enjoyed this video. My goal is to sprinkle these vlog style videos in between my coffee videos to add an extra layer of personality to brewing habits. So until next time, peace.